Are you modeling? I'm Kenji Hiranabe. Today I'm going to talk about impact mapping and demonstrate it by Astah. Suppose you have an idea and you are making a service or a product by developing a piece of software. If you are a developer, you often tend to focus on the features of the software. But in order for your idea to succeed, you have to step back and make sure that you think not about the features, but about the impacts of the software that affects people's behavior. Impact mapping is a way of visualizing connections among the business goal and the relevant people called actors, the impact to their behaviors, and the features of the product called deliverables. Impact mapping helps you concentrate your effort to the shortest path to success by creating a maximum impact by minimum software. Okay, let's see the demo. So, I'm here to interview with Satomi about her new product. Hi Satomi.
Hi Kenji.
So I heard that you're making a new product.
Yes, that's correct.
What kind of product is it?
It is a role-playing game.
Wow. Let's try impact mapping for that.
Cool.
First of all, what's the business goal this time?
To get 1 million players.
Okay, then I will put 1 million players at the center of the map.
Okay, great.
Then what kind of people are involved in that achievement of the goal?
First, there will be players.
Players, obviously.
And second, there will be internals.
Internals like
us developers
I see.
of the product, the
I
game,
see.
and the marketing team.
So actors would be players and internals divided into dev team and marketing team.
Great.
Good. Then let's focus on players first. What kind of impacts do you want them to make to achieve that goal?
Well, we want them to invite their friends to play the game. So
I see.
that will increase the players.
Good idea. What others?
Others, we want them to recommend that the
Mhm.
game is
Mhm.
cool and good.
Good. So impacts would be invite friends
and recommend.
recommendation. I see. So about invite friends,
Yes.
what kind of features or I would say deliverables
Mhm.
you can think of to make that?
Okay. Nice simple feature will be auto invite.
I see. That's simple.
Mhm.
So what others?
Others, we want incentives for the players to invite their friends.
Incentives like
Incentives like kudos or stars or recognition.
oh, they get kudos
Yes.
when they invite people.
Yes. More friends they invite, they get more recognitions.
Right. Cool. What about recommendation?
Recommendation. Nice feature will be posting the screenshot
Mhm.
of the game when they clear the stage.
Oh, the awesome photos.
The awesome photos.
Good. To the SNS or
On the SNS like Facebook or
I see.
Twitter
I see.
automatically.
so that other people can see
Yes.
cool
And-
pictures.
Yes, cool pictures that
Great.
makes them want to play too.
I see. So this would be the impact map.
Ta-da!
If you are in the business side, this impact map also help you communicate the business intentions to the development team. Next time, I'll show you how to create user stories or use cases from this impact map. Until then, see you.